Hello everyone, welcome to the yarn bowl. In this video we are going to see how to crochet this beautiful half double crochet ribbed stitch. If you are new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe to the yarn bowl and click on the bell icon as well so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. Also, please do not forget to like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram to get more updates. So for this stitch, I'm using Pound of Love yarn in color cherry, and this is the swatch we are going to make today. It's a ribbed stitch made from half double crochet stitches. We are going to alternate between the third loop and the back loop of each row. So let's see how to crochet this beautiful ribbed pattern using half double crochet stitches. So for this sample swatch and this yarn, I'm using 6mm crochet hook to show this demo. So for the foundation chain, I'm gonna start with a slip knot and work chain 19 plus 2. This plus 2 is considered as our turning half double crochet stitch. So go ahead, work chain 90 plus 2 stitches, totally 21 chains. So once you've worked 21 chains, we are going to work one half double crochet on the third chain from the hook, and we are going to work one half double crochet on each chain till the start. So go ahead, work one half double crochet on each chain. So now we are going to end this first row. I'm gonna work my last half double crochet in the last chain, then I will be working chain 2 and turn my work. So for my row 2, I'm gonna pick up my third loop. You can see the front and back loops on the top, and the third loop is on the side. So we are going to pick up this third loop for our row 2. So I will be working one half double crochet on this third loop. This is the third loop, and these two are the front and back loops. So I'm going to pick up this third loop for my row 2. So I'm going to work one half double crochet on the third loop of each stitch. So I'm going to grab my third loop of each stitch and I'm going to work one half double crochet on the third loop of each stitch. Go ahead, work one half double crochet on third loop of each stitch till the end. So I've worked halfway through. So if I turn my work, you can see the ribbing that's created on the other side, which is the right side. by working this way. So go ahead, complete your row 2 by working 1/2 double crochet on the third loop of each stitch. So once I'm done with row 2, and then I work a chain 2 and turn my work to the right side. So for row 3 I am going to work 1/2 double crochet on the back loop of each stitch. So we are not going to work on the third loop. For this row we are going to work on the back loop. So you can see on the top there is the front loop and back loop. So we are going to only work 1/2 double crochet on the back loop of each stitch. So we are going to grab the back loop and work 1/2 double crochet. So we are going to do that for each and every stitch of row 2. So yarn over, grab your back loop and then work 1/2 double crochet. So go ahead, work 1/2 double crochet in the back loop of each stitch till the end for row 3. So this again creates a ribbing on the right side for us. So we are going to work this way till the end. Now I am almost at the end of row 3. You can see the ribbing in the right side created this by working this way. So from now on we are going to alternate between row 2 and row 3. That is, for row 4 we are again going to work 1/2 double crochet by grabbing the third loop of each stitch, and then row 5 we will be working by grabbing the back loop of each stitch and working 1/2 double crochet. So we are just going to repeat row 2 and row 3 from now on till the desired length of our swatch. So for row 4 I am just working 1/2 double crochet by grabbing the third loop of each stitch. Then once I am done with that row I work a chain 2, turn, and then for row 5 I will be working 1/2 double crochet by grabbing the back loop of the stitch. So go ahead, repeat row 2 and row 3 over and over again until the desired length of your swatch. So here I have completed my row 4 and row 5. So you can see the ribbing formed at the right side, that is the front of our swatch. So keep repeating this rows until your desired length of the swatch. So here is my sample swatch which I have worked for about 14 centimeters. So I am finishing off the swatch by working a slip stitch. And this is a very good pattern for blankets or hot pads or even a headband, ear warmers. So you can try this pattern at home and let me know your comments. I hope you found this tutorial useful and easy to follow. And please do not forget to subscribe to the Yarn Bowl and click on the bell icon as well. Thanks for watching. Bye.